Hi, I'm Kathy, the Director of Family Services for the Sunshine Coast Health Center, with the question of the week. Today's question comes from Sadie, and what she's wondering is, Kathy, will I ever really be able to trust my husband again, who's in recovery? So to answer your question, Sadie, the answer is that a lot of people will say, how do we overcome trust? And the obvious answer is that trust takes time. But what I realize in relationships and notice all the time is that trust can actually never form in relationships, and that just because an issue has happened 10 years, 20 years, 30 years down the road, I've witnessed relationships where trust has not been rebuilt whatsoever. What is really important for trust to be built back in relationships is that the person who has violated the trust needs to be doing what they say that they're going to do. They need to follow actions, and it's the small things that they need to do, like being emotionally available in the relationship, honoring their word, developing credibility and integrity back into the relationship. And as they start to make these small changes, monitoring their temper, openly communicating, talking about their feelings, then what happens is that we become, as loved ones and partners, more invested in who they are now and our future together than who they were in the addiction and in the past. That is essentially how trust is rebuilt. And it's a process, but it's really about the person owning their behavior, and then we're moving forward into different positive ways of responding to each other in our relationships. Thanks so much for your question of the week. We'll talk to you next week. Bye.